Uh, Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. I'm not feeling it myself. My nose is still stuffy. Still have the cold. I'm trying to get rid of it. But I have so much on my mind that I'm just not feeling like myself. Been like this for a few days now. I need to get stuff started out, so I just have a lot on my mind. So I can't flow. I don't feel like making any videos apart from this that I'm just explaining to everybody on my channel. So I'm just going to take some time to clear my head. I just want my head to be in a state where I can flow, and be creative and think about stuff and talk about stuff and all of that. But I'm just not feeling that way right now today. So yeah, I hope everybody alright. Sincerely, hope everybody is okay. If you're new to the channel, check out the rest of the content on my channel. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in and coming over to JVLOGS. Yeah, so I'm going to play some tennis to try and sweat it out. See if I can get rid of the flu, but apart from that, it's just there's nothing new, there's nothing going on. So yeah, thanks for watching. So I catch you guys, when I catch you. So I'm going to try and make full eye contact now. Alright guys, see you later.